1954 Buick Special. Average price is $5,500. Classic Buicks are always stylish, attractive, and enjoyable to see. The beauty of Buick's sweeping side trim gives it a big car presence and an elegant cruiser. Buick cars from this era leaned heavily into luxury trimmings, making them some of the most elegant and sophisticated cars of the time. This has also led to a large supply of Buick cars from the 1950s, which accounts for the extremely affordable pricing.
Series 40 models used a 264 cubic inch 8-cylinder engine that produced 143 horsepower and 228 pound-feet of torque, while Series 60 models had larger engines measuring 322 cubic inch that produced 195 horsepower and 302 pound-feet of torque to give drivers more power. Both engines could be had with either a 3-speed manual or a 2-speed automatic transmission. From towering tail fins to thundering engines, the classics of the 1950s remind us of a time when style and power ruled the open road. And the best part? Some of these timeless machines can still be yours without spending a fortune. Which one of these 50s beauties would you take home? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more classic car stories, and join us next time as we uncover more hidden gems from automotive history.